Alright, so we're going to go over a few frequently asked questions in regard to suspension, tyre pressures, wheel nuts and bearings. So starting off, the van does have bearings imported from overseas. What happens when they come to our factory is they go up on the hoist. These bearings are cleaned out, checked all over, repacked with our grease, new seals on the hubs and put back on the suspension arms. In the vans, we're running level suspension. In our bigger models, springs and shocks, and our lighter models, shocks only. There is a wheel alignment done in our factory. We do the toe in, toe out in the camber caster. That is then pinned. Tyre pressures, on your compliance plate on your van, you'll have a recommend cold tyre pressure. This is what we recommend when the van is loaded up. If you're running it dry, it may be a better option just to run it that little bit lighter until you get your van loaded up with water, food, clothes, gas bottles, etc. Our wheel nuts, our manufacturer specifications are 140 foot-pound. So we recommend highly carrying a torque wrench with you, and every time you set off, checking your wheel nuts. So it's 140 foot-pound, onto your wheel nuts, and checking all 6.